Hello, welcome to this update for the Atlantic. So let's just see about the rainfall here and some storms that are occurring and will happen this week. So shows some rain in Cuba, we had some storms in Florida, and shows some storms near Belize and the Yucatan this afternoon, and parts of Guatemala in some areas. So in terms of tropical development, we are quiet now, not expecting anything else in the near future. We'll check some models and stuff. There's anything, but for now there's nothing popping up. But the important thing is to check about these rainfalls. So still have these storms here. Shows in Cuba, parts of Mexico, more showers and storms. Still tomorrow, Thursday, some more in Mexico and Guatemala. Shows still some storms in Honduras, and the European model showing some heavy rain in the tail of this front in northern Honduras. So some showers and storms in a part or two of the Bahamas too, tomorrow, Thursday, and shows more heavy rain Honduras until Friday. Guatemala, some showers and storms, maybe more in Costa Rica, late Friday into Saturday in Panama, and more passing showers and storms near the Greater Antilles this weekend and earlier next week, maybe sometimes on the Eastern Caribbean, some showers and storms. So let's see. There's the GFS too, shows some storms in Mexico today and Guatemala, Cuba, and those areas. Then Thursday, the GFS also some more rain Honduras, northern Honduras, and the front in the Bahamas, some rain there. The Turks and Caicos, some rain. Shows more Saturday in Costa Rica, Panama, Colombia, and some areas. And the GFS is still getting an area of moisture later to watch, but nothing really crazy popping up. And then there's like on the Eastern Caribbean, some passing showers, some thunderstorms, but nothing that crazy. So yeah, there's the icon too. Shows more showers and storms there in Mexico, Guatemala, Belize, northern Honduras especially, and later Costa Rica, some parts of Panama. And it has that front in the Bahamas, some thunderstorms, some showers there too, and some are passing by the Eastern Caribbean from time to time. So yeah, be aware in those areas. But the rain accumulation from the icon until the 25th, it has some rain in northern Honduras, some areas close to like some 89 to 100 millimeters. The Bay Island, some 80 to 100 millimeters as well. Has some more Honduras, central Guatemala, some more thunderstorms, Mexico and Guatemala, and some more storms those southern mountains of Mexico. There's some jungles there, some mountains, some more thunderstorms. Shows more in Panama. The icon is almost 150 millimeters. In some areas right on the Caribbean there. BR in Panama shows some more in Costa Rica, Nicaragua, and some areas. The icon has some accumulation in the Eastern Caribbean, some passing showers and storms, especially in Trinidad and Tobago, near South America, some more thunderstorms, and passing by near Dominican Republic and Puerto Rico, Jamaica, and especially northern Jamaica. So that's the icon. The European has still on the next 5 days more than 100 millimeters in the northern Honduras, close to 130 to 140 millimeters. So considering all the flooding that already happened in Honduras, plus this rain, it might continue some flood problems there. So be careful. Shows there like in other parts of Honduras and Nicaragua, some passing showers and storms, especially central to southern Nicaragua there, and a finger or two in El Salvador and central Guatemala. Some more storms in southern Mexico, so be aware there in Mexico. On the Pacific, maybe some showers, a few storms too. And in Costa Rica, the European has almost 167 millimeters, 170 the next 5 days, especially this weekend. She has more in Panama, some 40, 50 even, close to 100 millimeters in a spot or two. So please be careful there later this week with more heavy rains and flooding. Shows more in eastern Cuba, some storms, some showers with the front in the Turks and Caicos and the Bahamas, some passing thunderstorms, Jamaica, shower too, maybe a thunderstorm, and some showers in the Cayman Islands next few days, maybe a storm or two. Shows in the Eastern Caribbean, some are passing thunderstorms, some passing showers. Barbados 28 millimeters, Trinidad and Tobago some more. So beware, Puerto Rico too, some spots to 31 millimeters, even 39, the Virgin Islands, and some areas there. So be aware. There's the GFS. It doesn't have as much in northern Honduras, but it has more in central Guatemala, Belize, some more showers and storms, southern Mexico there, and it has a lot near Panama and Costa Rica, close to like 200 millimeters, 185 Bocas del Toro, and it has more there in southern Costa Rica, eastern Costa Rica, many areas. So be careful in those areas. More rain, some storms to the Dominican Republic too, but nothing that crazy in the Eastern Caribbean. So be careful there. Now the model here does show that front there some showers and storms. The GFS does have an area of moisture by November 26th just south of Jamaica, but it doesn't really form into anything. Gets all the way down to 1001 millibars, close to tropical depression strength, but it seems very disorganized and goes north there. But later, the GFS just more fronts there, some showers and storms in the Eastern Caribbean. So let's see here the European. So it does have those showers and storms. Central America, that front there, it does have a more concentrated area of showers. The southwestern Caribbean, but nothing actually forming. Just the area of showers stays there, and more showers and storms. So yeah, let's see the icon for example. There's like shows the front there, more showers and storms. It does show a low pressure trying to linger around there, but isn't really able to form into anything. But there'll be that area of extra moisture to monitor there. There's the Canadian model, shows like some showers and storms there. Might linger a little bit this around November 27th, shows some more stuff near Central America, some more showers and storms, but nothing actually forms. So yeah, we will keep monitoring there, but nothing that concerning. But be aware with showers and storms. This is the European, I think. So the European ensembles does have some random members showing stuff there coming from the southwestern Caribbean. One member even goes to 952 millibars, another's at 1004, 994, but in total that's like less than 10 members, so very little support there, barely nothing of support. So uh, I doubt that something will form there, but there's like a member or two showing something, so it's worth to watch. There's the GFS showing a few more members there, close to 996, like some tropical depression strength 994. So the GFS has a few more members on the Pacific too. So it's worth to watch this, but nothing concerning showing up on the models yet, on the operational ones. So we'll keep monitoring there, but nothing that concerning as of now. But yeah, be aware. And shows some heavy rain in Colombia too, and more on the Pacific there. So let's see here. They have these marine warnings, the Gulf of Mexico, some high waves in some areas, and also in the Eastern Pacific, they have some high waves near, like, uh, Tempoac in some areas. So they say here, I think, let's see. Here, including the Gulf of Tempoac and 15 north, 94 west to 16 north, 94 west. Yeah, some areas of the Pacific, some high waves there. So be aware. Let's just see something. Let's see if the European has something interesting in terms of probabilities, but I doubt there's something at this point. The tropical storm probability show like Monday, next Tuesday. They show 5% on the 27th tropical storm probability, but that's like very low. 5% near Costa Rica and Nicaragua. On the 29th, still some 5%. And yeah, until December 2nd, the 5% there. but that's like very, very, very low. And the tropical depression probabilities, there's always that 5 and 10% that shows up near South America, and most times it doesn't form into anything, but it does show like by the 24th a 10%, the 25th, the 26th a 10% tropical depression probability. By the 27th does go to 20 to 30% near Central America there. The 28th still 20%, the 29th, the 30th, and still December 1st 20%, but that's very low still. So yeah, but just be aware of some thunderstorms and heavy rains, and we'll keep monitoring for the other stuff. But still nothing on the board there. And let's see, still some warmer temperatures since Central America. Some third is there. In some areas are already colder at night in like some mountains of Guatemala, some higher mountains there, especially in Mexico. Mexico City, some areas are 8 degrees, a little bit colder, especially in northern Mexico there. And yeah, it's generally fine. Those areas are also Dominican Republic, some 32 degrees, and yeah, South America is a little bit hotter there, but the rest is fine. Some days in Mexico, like Saturday morning, shows some 5 degrees in those mountains there, 2 degrees, 1 degree, 7 degrees in other areas, Guatemala, and even the Yucatan, some 15 degrees at night. Florida's already in the 40s Fahrenheit on Saturday morning, here some yeah, and shows like the Dominican Republic some 15 Celsius in some high elevations, but rises to almost 30 again during the day. And I saw a forecast earlier today showing almost some 30s near northern Florida on Saturday morning. So yeah, let's see, shows some 20s, some tropical breezes there. Yeah, it's generally fine in those areas, and the wind is calm just in that front there on the Gulf of Hargas and Hargas in Mexico, those southern mountains there. So be careful there. Shows Thursday. This goes maybe a little bit above normal winds in the Bahamas and Cuba, Nicaragua, those fronts, and near Central America Saturday, and maybe on the Atlantic some above some breezier conditions next Sunday, next Monday there. But yeah,